Every year with the advent of scorching summer months, the news of farmers committing suicide in Maharashtra becomes the national headlines. Agriculture is the mainstay of the state in Maharashtra. Well, 2015 is no different as farmers' suicide in Maharashtra are intensifying with as many as 1,088 cases reported this year till May. This is almost twice the figure reported just 2 months ago. Between January and March, the state government had reported 601 cases. This is quite an alarming situation. Average annual profit from cultivation in the state of Maharashtra is lowest of all the states. Let's have a look at why this situation is so grave in Maharashtra.